Hello everyone, I am Revanth. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome all you teachers to the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI, Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Now we are going to discuss about different types of innovation ideas using in lessons. Using different types of innovation ideas in the lessons helps the students to learn in a most joyful and in a friendly environment. It connects the students with their day-to-day lives, real life atmosphere. Now we are going to discuss about the NCERT board classes 3rd and the subject is EVS and the lesson name is Saying Without Speaking. Saying Without Speaking is a lesson which tells about the emphasis of differently abled people on their daily how they are living, and also tells about the developing the abilities among towards the differently abled people or the specially abled people. So this is the lesson. The innovation idea used in this lesson is called theme-based attendance. Theme-based attendance is a type of a revision-based innovation idea. This theme-based attendance covers the concepts of the communication without speaking, using sign languages, and sensitivity towards the differently abled people, making the students to emphasize the difficulties and challenges faced by the differently abled people. So being it's a type of a revision-based innovation idea, this theme-based attendance connects the lesson which we taught very recently with our daily attendance activity, making the students to revise the lesson which we taught with the our attendance is the major important role of this theme-based attendance. For doing this theme-based attendance, we are telling the students that but tomorrow that the attendance will be based on the theme saying without speaking. So whenever we are taking attendance, we will be calling the attendance in terms of roll number wise, likewise roll number 1, roll number 2, roll number 3, likewise. So whenever we are taking attendance, the students will be replying the attendance in terms of yes or present. Instead, in this theme-based attendance, the student should not tell that yes or present. We will be giving a task or we will be asking questions to the students. The student should give answers and they have to do the task as their attendance. So we have been discussing about saying without speaking. So we should be communicating without using a words. We can use sign language or accent words. So this is the concept and this is the task also. So we are telling the students that we will be having attendance. No one should tell the attendance in yes or present. We will be giving a task to you. You have to do the attendance in terms of doing the task what we are giving. So let's take an example. In our class there are 3 students. There are 30 students are there. So roll number 1 starts from Arjun, roll number 2 Abhishek, Archana, like this roll number is starting, and we are going to do the theme based attendance now. So we are calling roll number 1. Roll number 1 Arjun is getting up. He should not tell yes or present. We have already told this condition. We are giving a task to Arjun that previously we are going to write the different types of actions or the situations in the blackboard as the pre-preparation, like you have broken your toy, what you will be doing if you lost your pencil. Likewise, we are writing different activities like a scenario situations in that board. We are calling the student Arjun and he is already there to tell his attendance. We are telling or we are indicating one situation in the board and we are telling Arjun to enact or react or through your facial expression how you will be feeling if you broken your toy. You should not speak but you should just express and you have to show that. So like the Arjun should express through his facial expression. He have to observe how the pain it will be, how he will be reacting and everything only through the expression, not through words. So likewise every student, roll number 2, roll number 3, everyone is getting one situation. They are doing their action through their expression and they should express it without speaking. So this is the activity. So likewise every students are doing, so that every students are able to in our class able to know what are all the actions was expressed, how difficult it is to express without speaking. So likewise connecting the lesson which we taught through the attendance helps the students to relate with our daily life activity and also make the students to emphasize how to communicate without speaking. So this is the innovation idea called the theme-based attendance used in this lesson, saying without speaking. So more like this different types of innovation ideas using in lessons you can see through our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Thank you.